Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the SSD and preventing any further writes. That preserves current data. Once connected through a write blocker or a trusted USB adapter, begin a sector-level image with DResQ or FTK Imager to a larger destination. Make sure to log device ID and imaging parameters. This gives you a reproducible baseline. If imaging fails repeatedly, reduce read speed and enable retry parameters. By imaging first, you protect original data and enable safe analysis and recovery on the copy. Once you have a verified image, analyze metadata and file system structures to understand damage patterns, check smart, partition tables, and directory records. Then run non-destructive tools against the image. Start with test disk for partition repair, photo rec for file carving, and vendor tools for firmware-level diagnostics. Make sure to note if trim was active. If so, many files may be irrecoverable. If you repair a file system, test mounts read-only first. Only write back after validation to avoid cascading corruption. You finish by verifying recovered files. Compare checksums, open samples, and ensure integrity before delivering results. Once satisfied, copy validated files to a secure destination and keep the original image and logs for future reference. If hardware symptoms persist or low-level NAND access is needed, escalate to a professional SSD recovery lab rather than attempting risky hardware fixes. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to stop writing to the drive and revert to the original image to avoid losing remaining recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.